Hi everyone, here is a video to introduce you to some new features in RaceReplay, which should help make the process of configuration a little bit easier. So let's assume that you have cleaned your log in the LogCLeaner. We can see it here on the screen. You have spent a bit of time specifying all the decimals and the variable types and a bunch of configuration. So you should really make sure that you save all this work by doing a save config and save that as a LogCLeaner configuration file. Once you've done, we can now head to RaceReplay. You're going to load your log, which was just cleaned, and then you now need to do the configuration process. So let's go and have a look at the new features in there. So we launch the config file manager. Let's put that in full screen. And you'll see that in this first tab file format, which talks about date, time, latitude, longitude, you can actually now quickly configure this using whatever you had as an output in your LogCLeaner. So click that, and it's now got the correct labels and the correct lat/lon and the correct format. Moving on to the other log variables, so that is a feature for the team license owners. We have something similar now, and we can go to Tools, Other Variables, Import from Config, from the LogCLeaner. We'll do that, and then we'll get all the configurations that we had done in the LogCLeaner with the correct decimals and correct variable types. So you no longer need to go one by one and specify them, which is a bit strenuous. Despite that, you can still do some setting of, say, for instance, decimals quite quickly by clicking on this new Quick Set Decimals button. And from there, you select which which number of decimal you're looking at, and then you just simply click on which variables you want to have that many decimals. And they've been updated in here, and we can do the same for set type and say angle 360. Well, maybe original true in direction isn't one, or maybe it is, but maybe true in direction offset, which is currently an angle 180, is now set to 360. I click OK, and that's been changed here. So that's a nice little feature to accelerate things. And to finish up, we finally introduced this search bar similar to config file manager, where if I start typing something like tar, it now only displays the any variable that's got these words in. That's it for this video. Make sure to head to our website to download the latest version of all your tools. Thank you.